Hey, welcome back to BoxHero. In this video, we'll show you how to create custom inventory reports, complete with your own formulas and calculations. With this feature, you can track key metrics and numbers that matter most to your team. To get started, go to the sidebar on the left, and let's click Reports, and then we'll select Inventory. You'll see something like this, so let's take a quick look. There's a few columns here, starting with current quantity and inventory value. If you scroll to the right, you'll find more metrics like profit rate and turnover ratio. So these are the default formulas that come with your report, but you can also add your own or customize them. To do that, click the Formula Settings button in the top right. Here, you'll see all the formulas currently used in your inventory report. If you click the three dots next to any of them, you can update, delete, or hide that formula. For example, when you hide one, you'll see an eye icon appear, and that just means it's going to be hidden from your report. So let's try adding a new one. We'll click the Add Formula button in the top right, and you'll see two options, Quick Add and Custom Formula. If this is your first time, we recommend starting with Quick Add. It lets you pick from a list of common, ready-to-use formulas in BoxHero. We'll start with step 1, choosing a category between item attributes, sales and profit, or inventory and movement. Let's say we want to track sales performance. We're going to select profit margin, and you'll see the formula appear automatically. Now we'll just scroll down and click Add. You can see that the new formula has been added to our list, and a format is set to percentage while the calculation method is average by default. You can change these settings anytime. So for example, you can change the format from percentage to currency or adjust the number of decimal places. Same thing here for calculation method. We can switch it from average to min or max or something else. If you're unsure what something means, make sure to check out the formula guide for details. Alright, so now let's click Done. And you'll see the new profit margin column in our inventory report. You can sort it in ascending or descending order. And some other things, here you can set the date range, maybe just this month or last week. You can also filter by a specific location or locations plural. And feel free to export your inventory report to Excel if you want to analyze it further, or you can just save it for your records as well. Now let's go back to formula settings, and this time we'll try creating a custom formula. This one lets you build your own formula with functions and item data. So a few quick rules. We'll use the double curly brackets to reference saved attributes or existing formulas. And we'll use the $sign to pull inventory variables like cost or quantity. You can also use standard math functions like plus or minus, multiply, conditional statements like if, rounding, and more. And here are a few examples for reference. Alright, so let's try creating a new custom formula for value difference. This is just going to show you how much markup you have per item before any other calculations. So we'll enter the custom formula starting with the $sign. I'm going to pull up my price variable and then subtract it cost. Okay, so make sure the formula looks good. Add. There it is. We'll click Done. And if we scroll to the right, here is the new metric we just added. Okay, so you've learned how to create inventory reports in BoxHero and add your own metrics with custom formulas. Make sure to try it yourself with your team's inventory data, and as always, feel free to contact us at support@boxhero.io if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!